Hello everyone. Now we are going to start a topic about trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Let's understand the topic trigonometry. So let's know what is trigonometry. So trigonometry means, that is the intro. Trigonometry means the measurement of three angles. And it is discovered by Hipparchus. So before so this is the definition, that is trigonometry means the measurement of three angles, and it is discovered by Hipparchus, which is a Greek geometrician. Next, we have to know about to know more about trigonometry. We have to know the trigonometric ratios. So what are the trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios based upon right angle triangle. So here we can draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC, and if we denote, and I can denote it as theta. So here this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. So there are six types of trigonometric ratios. There are six ratios. So one is sine, second is cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So to determine these six ratios, so we have to write it as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and here cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. So how to find out these ratios? What are these ratios? To determine these ratios, we have to remember a trick, that is called P B P upon H H B. So here P B P H H B. This is the simple trick. So that is P by B, P by H is stands for sine, B by H is stands for cos, and P by V is stands for tan. So here you can write sine theta. So if you consider as the theta here, then it will be the base and it will be the perpendicular, and also AC will be its hypotenuse. So here the sine theta means P by H. So that is AB upon AC. Cos theta is B by H, that is base by hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC, and tan theta is P by B. So here P by B means AB upon BC. So my dear, remember that sine theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta, tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. So if you write that sine theta is P by H, then cosec theta will be H by P, and H by P means AC upon AB. Sec theta is B by H, that is H by B, that means AC upon BC. And cot tan theta is equal to P by B, then cot theta will be B by P because of its reciprocity, BC upon AB. So these are the ratios, and remember This is derived from Pythagoras theorem. So that's all about it. These are the trigonometry ratios. We have to remember it. Thank you so much.